Hi guys, happy Tuesday. These are the new subscribers that I checked. I quit, Big Back Queen, Samantha Perina, Natalia, Ice Dragon White Tea, YouTube channel, Isabel, Pansy Daniel, Asteria Mysterio, your bestie, Kaylani, Diane Henry, Kimberly, your girl, Caitlin, this is the Obot 15 VR, Delays Cardenas, the official Carnival Queen, Shelly, Just Piper, and Lila. And then the one that I uploaded this morning, the sound is not good, so I'm gonna repeat Brief Forever, Love the Dance Life with Us, Love Your Video, My Heart, Nutella Bestie, Celebrity Edits, It's Just Zoe, Caps Association, Your Local Newbie, Manuel Favelka, Ismael, Grandma have moved saying thank you, Marwa, Elina's World, thank you so much, Cat's Eye, Hazel Williams, Diva X, Love, Bre, Robert Ethan Manzanilla, thank you. Lily's World, thank you. And we have Madison Chandel for always watching and commenting. Thank you so much. So much. Joel San Rodriguez Moraes. Saliza Magodla, thank you. I love your video. I love everything you do. I hope you have a lot of subscribers. I hope you have a lot of kisses. I love you, love you. And then we have Andres Lustre, Wednesday Fan 2015. Nat Nexo Gaming, Rosemary Calderon. At June, thank you so much. Daniel Titus, Zoriza Magodla, Divi Morris, Arturo Zogura. I don't know it's that Sogura. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing. My glasses is broken, so it fell. Dili Morris, Arturo Sogura, Pauline Naidao, Preppy, Ayla, Life with Us, and it's family. It's Emily. You're amazing for saying thank you. Then Robert Ethan Manzanilla, Valerie Valencia, thank you so much. Preppy Omi, Pedro Concepcion. I made the like 68, thank you. Almira Day Home Agency, Elliot and Shaban. Ling Chuang, thank you. I don't know what I'm doing, thank you. Liana Ercoboza, Kate Marty, Brief Forever, Aria Mahadeo, Ice Edits, Miss Mia, The Babysitter, Aiden Espada. It's Just Sewing My Heart, Nutella, Love Your Videos, Cookie, and everybody, Cast Association, and to all the old subscribers, thank you so much. And continue hitting that notification bell and continue subscribing and sharing. Thank you so much. And from the bottom of my heart, I will always thank you every day of my life. To God be the glory. This is your funny, chubby, groovy granny saying good life, good person, do a random of kindness every day. Love you all, guys. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Take care always. Love you.